Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the issue with Valorant. You got the error. This version of Vanguard requires Windows 20H1 or later and may not function as expected with the error code VAN9006. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the Valorant and select open file location, and you just need to right click on the valorant.exe and select properties and select the compatibility tab and check mark run this program in a compatibility mode for Windows 8. And after that you just need to check mark run this program as an administrator, and after doing this select apply and OK for save changes. Now you just need to go ahead and relaunch your right client and Valorant and check if the problem solved or not. If you're still having issue, then let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows update. Click on open it. You just need to select check for updates. If any available update listed over here, you just need to update it guys and make your operating system up to date. And after doing this, you just need to close it off here. To check your Windows version, you just need to right click on it, the start icon, and select run. In run window you just need to type winware. After typing it select OK, and here you can able to see the version of your Windows. You need to make sure you have a version more than 20H1 or a version of 2004. Now to update your Windows, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. And here is the Windows 10 update assistant tool. The major issue of this error is in the Windows 10 only. So click on update now in the Windows 10 2022 update. You just need to click on update now. It's started getting download. After getting downloaded, you just need to open the Windows 10 update assistant and select yes. You just need to run it, and this will help you to update the latest Windows to up to date. In my case I have Windows 11, so the updates are not available at my case. At your end you will be see the updates for Windows 10, so you need to make sure to install the latest update using this Windows 10 update assistant tool. To fix the issue of a version of Vanguard requires Windows 20H1 or later, you just need to update it. After doing this, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. If you're still having issue, then you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. You just need to right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now in the command prompt window you just need to type bcdedit space /set space hypervisor visor launch launch type space off, press enter. This will turn off the hypervisor platform. After doing this, you just need to close it off here, and you just need to go to search menu and type Windows security. Click on open it. On left side select Windows security. In here under the core isolation, click on core isolation details, click on it, and in here you just need to turn it off the memory integrity. You just need to turn it off, and after doing this you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC for the changes take effect. After restarting your PC, go ahead and relaunch the game, and this will fix the issue of the version of Vanguard requires Windows 20H1 or later and may not function as expected. Hopefully your issue has been resolved at this point guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.